As you can see, there's bubble from the clam. So these are live clams. And we want to make sure the clam is alive. And these are very fresh. So we want to soak it in water for 30 minutes. Mince the garlic to get ready. After you soak the clam about 30 minutes, kind of dry it a little bit, drain the water. I'm going to use the wok 蒜蓉豆豉醬. So we turn on the fire. Let's just let the wok warm up a little bit. Warm up a little bit, then we can put in a little bit olive oil. Just let it kind of just go around. This is the garlic. Okay, all the garlic. Just now you can smell the garlic sauce. Also put in the red bean sauce. I know you can really smell how good it is. Now is the time to put in the clam. Here is the clam. Here we go. We call it stir fry it. Just going to have some coating of all the red bean sauce. We should also put in some white wine. More. Yeah, I think a little bit more. Yay! Good. Now we're ready to turn down the heat a little bit. Let the white wine simmer. Through the lid you can see, you cannot see much anymore. But you need to cook until the clam open up. Look, it's open up. Look at how fresh this is. You want to make sure all the clams are open up, and the one that is not open, don't eat it. I also put a little bit sugar, which I did beforehand, but I use this agave syrup. I just put a little bit. They have some sweets also, always bring good taste. So good. Don't overcook it though, because it's going to get really tough. Now I think it's ready. The big ones took a little bit longer, so I get all the smaller one out. Look at this, unbelievable. Love it. Yum yum. Now even the big ones are open up now. Look, should be this way. All open up. Yeah, one is barely open. Maybe that one is no good. But look at these ones. Cool. Well, the 4 big ones we have, only 3 open up. Now my husband is gonna try it and let me know how it is.
Okay, I'm gonna try. Looks good. Okay. Here it is.
Yeah.
Very good.
You tried the whole thing? All at once?
All at once. Very good.
How about the small one? That one is empty.
Here we go. Try the small one.
Okay.
Here it is. Looks good.
You really like it? You sure?
Very good. Very good.
You usually don't eat seafood, though.
It's very good though. I like it.
Well, thank you. Bye.
Bye.